and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so recently I hit over 1,000 subscribers and like I've been really excited. Thank you guys. And you notice that like most of my views, most of my views are from India, and then after India, the United States, and then I think Nigeria, then Ukraine. Like, who are those watching me from India? It's amazing. Okay, so I checked on Google, and thank you in India means Dhanyavad. So Dhanyavad. If you're watching me from the United States, thank you guys. And if you're watching me from Ukraine, spasibo bolshoi. And if you're watching me from Nigeria, Eshe, maybe what's the next one? Eshe, Dalu, and Hausa. Are you serious? Nagode, so say. Okay, so let's get to me, guys. So recently I've been thinking of making videos like the problems I had when I first started my cake business, yeah. And the problems I couldn't find on YouTube. So like I thought of making like a figure cake video, like starting from 9. Because it's easy to find 1, 2, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5. But once you get to like 6, 7, 8, it becomes really difficult. So I'm going to start like a series on figure cake. And I can't eat them myself, so I was thinking maybe I'll auction them out for you guys. It's gonna be expensive, so it's like two, maybe $10, maybe. But normally I'll make that cake for someone, maybe to be like maybe $40. But because you guys are doing me a favor by taking it off my hands, then I'll start extra from $10. So I'm going to start with 9 first. So I'll be really excited if you guys stay tuned with me and see how this goes. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.